Come on up, Tom. Haley Haas for responsibility in Mrs. Lerma's class. Adrian Cisneros for caring. Go, Haley. From Mrs. Lukashevsky's class, we'd like to recognize Oliver Aquino for fairness. Olivia? We good? My poor pronunciation, I apologize. Jaden Mohamed for responsibility. Xavier Villena for citizenship. Finley Forbes for respect.
Xavier, hindi yan alam gagawin.
Jace Parker for trustworthiness. Savannah Levin from Mr. Dallenbach's class for demonstrating citizenship. Jesse Jimenez for citizenship from Mr. Dallenbach's class. Katya Petrosky for good citizenship. Where's Katya? Oh, I'm sorry, Ellen says Katya. We will correct that. That's why she's not going to. Carrie Petrosky, where are you? For room 22? Carrie, come on up. We need to fix yours. Sorry, sweetie. We'll turn that back into Miss D and we'll get that fixed. Brennan Mawire for good citizenship. And Mr. Dylan Hayes for good citizenship. Brennan. And wait, I have a list. Did Carly Christian come up yet? She did. I have her extra piece. Did you get both pieces?